I saw their sample video and I saw steam coming out and I was sold right then. We might actually use this, it looks good. Hey there, since it's weekend lockdown in Bangalore, we thought we'll head out on Friday afternoon itself. We came to this beautiful spot and we've been camping, doing some little bit of rock climbing, canyoning training. Meanwhile, Abhishek from Anchiel Technologies, which is an IIT Delhi incubated startup, had contacted me to introduce their product, Heatomate. Basically helps you to cook or heat up your pre-cooked food while you are camping out in the wilderness or even traveling. It has a special technology, a packet of some chemical which generates a lot of heat when it comes in contact with just plain water. You don't need any special fuel, just water is enough. They claim it gives a rise of 60 degrees Celsius in 10 minutes. So it increases the temperature by 60 degrees for 10 minutes and it maintains that. Wanted to test this out today. The product is well thought, well designed. It comes with the heating material. Then there are two Ziploc bags. You tear the bigger Ziploc bag, put water in it, add your food content inside a food safe, chemical safe Ziploc bag, and then put it inside the bigger pouch. And then you add the heating element into the outer bag. Seal it up and keep it for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, it will get heated up well. Like homemade, same. Wow, it's well cooked, man. This is a nice product. At Bangalore Adventure School, we give training for wilderness backpacking, where we go backpacking into the wilderness for multiple days, and this product might be useful. So we might actually use this, and it looks good. The product has 12 months of shelf life, that's what is written here. It's made in India. I want to see whether we can use this for our camping trips and backpacking trips. Leave only footprints, take only memories. Take out everything that you carried in. All these packets do not belong to the wilderness. It belongs to the city where they can recycle.